Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Today we are here to discuss about the program to determine whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Okay, so this class is for Python programming language, and those who are new to my class, please go through the previous programs that would be helpful for you. And today we will learn program number 5. And what is the program? To determine whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Now, the question is, what is an Armstrong number? Okay, what is an Armstrong number? See, Armstrong number. In the input-output section, I have taken 153 as an user input. So, I am taking 153. Now, 153, what are the digits of this number? 1, 5 and 3. Make cubes of these numbers. 125 and that is 27. Sum them. 3, 5 and 1. 153. So, the given number equals to the sum of the number. This is the sum and this is the given number. So, 153 will be an Armstrong number. Clear? What we have done? We have done separately each and every digit of a particular number. We get the cubes of those particular digits and sum them up. And after summation of those particular cubes, we get some value. That sum value and the given number are equal. In that case only, the given number will be an Armstrong number. Otherwise, it is not an Armstrong number. If the sum value and the given number is not equal, then we cannot tell that the given number is an Armstrong number. So, this is the main concept of Armstrong number, and we have to write down the Python programming code to find out, to determine, not to find out, to determine whether the given number is an Armstrong number or not. So, what is the program? Let's start. Now, this is the variable. With the help of this variable, we are storing the value as an user input. Enter a number. Input is the method, and in data type, the particular given value will be considered as integer only. So, input, enter a number. After that, sum. This is another variable, and this is initialized with 0. 0 value we are assigned here, initialize sum as 0. Then another value, that is temp equals to num. Temp is a variable, and we assign the num, the user input value in that particular section, that is in the temp value. Now here we use while loop. While loop in program, Python program. So, while temp greater than 0 colon. This is entirely from while to this colon section. This is the particular syntax of while loop in Python programming language. Listen one thing, for each and every programming language, the logic is always same, but the syntax is different, and each and every learner should minutely observe these particular differences, where while temp greater than 0, after you use a colon, then there is another variable taken as digit, and in this digit section, what to do? We just take the modulus value of temp, that is temp modulus 10, and after that sum equals to sum plus digit. This symbol means that we have done cube of that particular number which is in the digit. Digit is the variable, and we store here some particular value, and when we cube when we get cube of that particular number, that is, this means that digit into digit, this value means multiplication, so multiply digit again and with another digit, okay. So this is the value, digit asterisk asterisk 3 means digit multiply by digit multiply by digit. 3 times you multiply digit and you get this particular value, which will be sum up with the sum value, and sum value is assigned with 0 after the 0 plus this one value are taken from this line. Now after that section, temp, here we use another symbol. This is very important. This is division. Division in Python, we used this symbol only for taking the integer value, integer division. It will give you integer value, okay. This is give you only the integer value. Suppose 5, I am calculating this one, it will give you 2, not 2.5, no, it will give you only the integer portion. That is why we use this to collect the particular digits of a given number, okay, because digits will always be taken like the integer value. There will not consider any point or decimal number after that, okay. So come to the point. After that, we use a if statement. If num equals to sum colon. This is the if statement and this is the syntax here. In every line we have to give the colon here. So if num equals to sum, print num is an Armstrong number, else print num is not an Armstrong number. So this is the complete program given here. You please write down the entire program along with the definition of Armstrong number, how we get the Armstrong number, and after that I am discussing about the dry run, which is the most important part. Look, dry run. First of all, num value, num equals to user input, enter a number. Which number? Here I enter 153. So num value will be 153. Sum value, sum equals to 0. This is initialized. Then temp equals to num, that is temp equals to 153, right? Now while temp greater than 0, 153 greater than 0, yes, obviously temp greater than 0, 153 is greater than 0, then digit equals to temp modulus 10. Better you write down 153 modulus 10. Now 153 modulus 10, okay, temp, then sum 153 modulus 10 mod value, this is the mod value, we will get what? 3, right? We will get 3. Now sum equals to sum plus, first sum value is 0, we are taking here 0, plus digit into digit into digit. So when we get modulus of 153, that is 10, we will get like this 3. This is the mod value, right? This is the mod value and this is digit, under digit we get the mod value here 3 and 3 into 3, 3 into 3. This means sum value equals to 0 plus 27, that is equals to 27. Clear? First step. Now temp division 10, temp integer division 10, and you will get 1 5, right? This value is temp, this is division, the quotient which is integer you given here, and this is taken as temp value, temp equals to 15 here. Now this is the first step, step 1 and step 2. Step 2, when temp equals to 15. Now 15 greater than 10, greater than 0 obviously. So the same thing, the while loop will run again, and digit will be collect here. Digit will be collect like this, temp modulus 10, and when we get the modulus of 15 modulus 10, we will get what? We will get 5 here, right? So when we get 5 here, then sum value will be 27 plus 5 into 5 into 5, that is 27 plus 1, 25. 27 plus 1, 25, right? And then temp, again the value of temp will be changed. Look at the board. From here we get temp value. After integer division we collect the last digit here, number 1, and then temp in same way we get the modulus value, and we get, that is 1 modulus 10, that is 1, that is also greater than 0. When that is also greater than 0, we get digit equals to temp modulus 10, that is 1, and after that 1 cube is taken here as sum value, sum plus digit cube, this line. Okay, so in your copy you practice this very clearly, each and every step, step 1, step 2, step 3, like this. This is the way to execute each and every steps for any while loop, for loop, or if statement. This is the way to understand properly. Okay, so for today's lesson this is enough, or quite enough. You please practice it and try to execute in your computers. Okay, so next day we will meet with another program. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.